Welcome back to BA Media. Imagine the incredible opportunity to earn a staggering 1,000 per day without even leaving your home. With the power of ChatGPT and artificial intelligence at your fingertips, this seemingly too good to be true prospect becomes a reality. You no longer have to toil away with tedious tasks because, in this method, you let the technology do the work for you. Whether you're launching on your couch or sitting at your computer desk, you can make money effortlessly. All you need to do is an internet connection, be it on your trusty mobile phone or your trusty computer. The world becomes your office and the possibilities are endless. The secret lies in three remarkable websites that have recognized the value of ordinary people like you and me, utilizing artificial intelligence. These platforms are willing to pay handsomely for your participation, providing an unprecedented opportunity to generate substantial income. However, it's important to note that this opportunity may have a limited shelf life, as it could quickly become saturated with eager participants. Therefore, it is crucial to seize the opportunity early and follow the step-by-step instruction I will provide in this video. Hello, once again, this is BA Media, and I'm here to guide you the exact steps to earn an outstanding $1,000 per day using ChatGPT. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, I urge you to subscribe to my channel and smash that thumbs up button. If you reach 5,000 likes on this video, I've even hosted a cash giveaway. So let's begin this incredible journey together. Now, our first step on our path to financial success is to visit the website openai.com. OpenAI is a brilliant platform responsible for creation of ChatGPT, the very tool that will revolutionize your income generation. Upon reaching the OpenAI website, simply scroll down and locate the Tried ChatGPT section. To proceed, you will need to create an account using your email. Don't worry, it's a quick and straightforward process. Once you have successfully created your account, brace yourself for an awe-inspiring moment. A window will magically appear before you, presenting the astonishing capabilities of ChatGPT. This incredible technology is about to become your invaluable partner in your journey to financial abundance. The three websites I'm about to reveal to you have a fascinating concept. They pay individuals like you and me to write articles. However, here's a fascinating twist. You don't have to do the writing yourself. Instead, you can delegate this task to ChatGPT and it will craft the articles on your behalf. It's like having a talented ghostwriter working tirelessly for you. Let's say you have come across a website that is seeking articles about healthcare innovations. Simply enter your query at the bottom of the page, instructing ChatGPT to write a 1,000-word article on healthcare innovations. Within moments, the magic happens. ChatGPT responds with enthusiasm, assuring that you would be delighted to create a healthcare blog article encompassing the latest news in the field. It even provides you with a simple article as a testament to its abilities. But wait, there's more. If you desire a more captivating and focused article, fear not. ChatGPT can cater to your specific preferences. For instance, you may request a 1,000-word article on the impact of telehealth and the anticipated growth in the healthcare industry. ChatGPT is at your service, ready to fulfill your requests. Once you have the generated article in your possession, it's time to embark on the next phase of our extraordinary journey. We will explore the first website that values and rewards your valuable contribution. Welcome to freelancer.com. Although the name suggests freelancing, in this context, you'll simply be submitting the articles you have generated using ChatGPT. Freelancer.com offers a straightforward process that allows you to monetize your written content. Don't worry, you won't be burdened with becoming a full-time freelancer. Instead, you will utilize the platform to browse existing job listings and find opportunities to submit your articles. Once you are on freelancer.com website, navigate to Browse Jobs section. Here you'll find a variety of writing jobs available. To narrow down your search, enter writing in the search bar. It's important to ensure that the jobs you are selected are suitable for remote work, so check for online job option. By focusing on fixed price project, you have the advantage of knowing exactly how much you will earn for each task. As you peruse the writing job listing, you'll be amazed by the potential earnings. Some projects offers as much as $459 for email marketing professionals or $224 for content writers. There's no shortage of opportunities. with job ranging from $65 to $980 and beyond. Looks for job that aligns with the articles you have generated using ChatGPT. For instance, if you wrote an article about healthcare innovations, search for healthcare-related writing jobs. If you crafted a captivating piece on telehealth, seek opportunities in that specific niche. When you find a job that matches your article, click on Bid Now to submit your work. If the client appreciates your articles, they will reward you financially. It's incredible to think that in less than 30 seconds, you can generate an article using ChatGPT and potentially earn hundreds of dollars through freelancer.com. But our journey doesn't end there. We now venture into the realm of Upwork.com, the second website that provides a platform for you to monetize your writing skills. Upwork.com is renowned for its vast array of job listings, including writing opportunities. It's not limited to creating a freelancer profile. You can take advantage of existing job listings from companies seeking content creators. Similar to freelancer.com, you can input your desired job criteria, such as article writing, and browse through the available options. Whether it's crafting a walking tour script or writing blog posts on social topics, there is a wide range of jobs with varying compensation. Some projects offer $25 to $50 per hour, while others provide fixed rate of $160 or more. Don't forget to explore Google Jobs, our final destination in this accelerating journey. Google Jobs scores the internet for freelance job listing, providing a treasure trove of opportunities. By searching for an article writer jobs and selecting the freelance category, you will discover a myriad of writing gigs awaiting for you. As you scroll through the Google job listing, you'll find jobs that pay hourly rates ranging from $30 to $50 per hour or more. Some even offer additional benefits like dental and health insurance or contributions to your 401. This stable freelance position provides an excellent opportunity for long-term income and security. Now that you're aware of these three remarkable websites, freelancer.com, upwork.com, and Google Jobs, you possess the knowledge and tools to embark on your own path to financial freedom. Imagine the possibilities of earning a substantial income without the need for extensive effort or specialized skills. The combination of ChatGPT's incredible abilities and the opportunities presented by this website will open doors you will never thought possible. But hold on, there's more to explore. If you're intrigued by the potential of earning passive income, I invite you to click the link below this video. It will take you to the free training that reveals how I personally generate over $400,000 per year from Face's YouTube automation channels. Discover how a dedicated team can handle all the work while you reap the benefits. By leveraging YouTube automation channel, you can multiply your income streams and achieve financial success on an even greater scale. In the free training, you will gain valuable insight into my proven strategies and techniques, empowering you to replicate my success. As you delve deeper into the training, you will encounter real-life client testimonials from individuals who have experienced tremendous success, earning tens of thousands of dollars every month through YouTube automation. These stories serve as a testament to incredible potential that lies within this innovative method. But wait, there's even more knowledge to be gained. In addition to the YouTube automation opportunity, I have prepared another video for you, highlighting an additional avenue to make money online. The world of digital entrepreneurship is vast, and I want to ensure that you have all the tools and information you need to thrive in this rapidly evolving landscape. So I encourage you to take a leap and explore the link below this video. It will provide you the access to the free training, where you'll uncover the exact step to earn $1,000 per day using ChatGPT. Remember, the key to success is taking action and seizing opportunity when they arise. The internet is constantly evolving and trends come and go. By embracing this method early on, you position yourself for maximum growth and financial abundance. Thank you for joining me in this incredible journey. I'm excited to witness your transformation and see you thrive in the world of online income generation. Don't forget to check out the link below and subscribe to my channel for future updates and valuable content. Together, let's embark on the path of financial freedom and make our dreams a reality. Take care, and I'll see you on the next video.